Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, starting a vlog in the car like always. Right now it is 8:45. I am about to head to work. Apparently there's a tornado watch going on today. My coworker texted me, she's like, I'm a little bit scared right now because she's driving to work already, but my plans is to not stay there for long. Probably gonna get there around 9:30 and then leave at 3:30, so just 6 hours. I do have a meeting at 3, that's why I'm staying until 3:30. But yeah, today is just gonna be a chill day. The weather is still gloomy. I haven't seen the sun in a long time. After work, I think I'm just gonna go back home. My mom, she's gonna do my nails. You know, surprisingly, yes, these are old dip powder, but it's been 3 weeks and they're still on. The only one that popped off was this index finger, which was so strange. But other than that, everything is still on. But it's been 3 weeks. They have grown out really bad and I need to get them done because we're going somewhere this weekend, which I will tell you guys later in the vlog. Let's just get to work now and get it over with. I am back at home, walked the dogs, took them outside, did their thing. Now I'm gonna do laundry. Yes, laundry. This is mine and Alexander's load and my mom's load, but I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Let the time lapse commence. Everybody's home! My mom is prepping meat and she's watching my latest YouTube video. That's cute. We got matching Christmas pajama sets from Amazon. Here's a little sneak peek of the Christmas pajamas that we're going to be wearing. We're all going to be matching. Each family, they're going to be wearing their own set of pajamas. Fun! Okay, mom's about to do my nails. So in case you guys are wondering why, first of all, it needs to be done. It's been 3 weeks. And I want my nails to look nice for this weekend because we are going to California. Yeah, I decided to buy tickets for Alexander and I to go for his birthday. His birthday is Friday, so you guys will be seeing this on Friday, so we will already be in California when you watch this. It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited to vlog. My mom just finished my nails and they look so pretty. I love it. White is my new favorite now. Love it. Hey Newman. Hey Menace. Good morning. It's the next day. Why do I always look so freaking fugly in my videos? I don't care. This is real life. This is real life. This is how my hair is. This is how I look when I wake up. Seriously. I totally catfish Alexander. but that's okay. I'm working from home today and I finished packing for California. The only thing I need to pack is my skincare and my makeup, which I will do tomorrow before we head out But yeah, today is Wednesday. I am having dinner tonight with Alexander and a couple of my friends, so that will be fun. And yeah, that's about it. Today's a chill day. I'm just ready for it to be over with, honestly. I'm in love with my nails. I just love white. I've been, oof, look at that. Just look at that. Put some new sheets on. You guys know we love the duvet sets from IKEA, and this is neutral, nothing too crazy. So that's that. I got a new friend right here. This one on the eyebrow calmed down. It's flattened down. It's good. But this one, so this one it's not inflamed anymore. It doesn't hurt. It's flattening down. So hopefully within 2 days it will be good for California, baby. I'm gonna get ready later for dinner. Dinner's at 7 p.m. It'll be fun. We're going to Gloria's for dinner, so I'm looking forward to that. I've only been to Gloria's Latin cuisine once in my life, and it's been over 10 years. I don't even remember what I got there. But I'm excited just to go out and eat with a couple friends. I guess I'll just check in with you guys then, when I have a different face on. Let's go! Come on, let's go for a walk. Who is she? I swear makeup does wonders, you guys. Anyways, it's many hours later. I'm pretty much done with work. It's 4:30. I got ready early only because I have nothing else to do, really. I'm trying to figure out what to wear tonight. It's going to be 50 degrees, so it's going to be a little bit chilly. I can wear a cute sweater. Maybe this one, because I haven't worn it. This blue one. I feel like I don't have a lot, but I feel like I have a lot at the same time. You know what I mean? Should I wear this little teddy bear cardigan? I might just wear this. I've only worn it once, and it was when we went to Missouri. I'll just wear this. This will be cute with some high-waisted denim jeans. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this, to be honest, but I'm gonna wear it anyways. With my super high-waisted jeans from Lucky Brand, and then I have this Anne Klein belt with this Shein teddy bear cropped cardigan. Yeah, alright, okay, this is what I'm gonna wear for the next 3 hours until we go to dinner. Oh my god, alright. Back at home, dinner was really good. It was fun. I showered, did my skincare. I obviously have my mouth guard on, ready to call it a night. Today is going to be a very short video, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in California. Bye!